For good morning, boys and girls. We are going to be doing 8-5 today, attributes of 3D shapes or three-dimensional shapes. And our I can statements for today are I can identify a cube and I can identify a rectangular prism. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. We're going to start off by looking at some three-dimensional shapes. Let me get my shapes box out. Okay. So, who can tell me what is this called? It looks like a circle on this side, that's sideways, and this is the other side. This is called a cylinder. Maybe you've seen a soup can at home and it looks like this. A soup can is also a cylinder. Okay? The next thing that we have is we have a rectangular prism. If you just look at this side, it looks like a rectangle, right? But you can see all the different sides, see? The tops of them look like squares. So that's a rectangular prism. Everyone say rectangular prism. The next one we're going to talk about is a cube. It looks like a dice, right? Has squares on each side. And it looks like a dice. This is called a cube. Say cube. Cube. Okay. What is this called? Zachary might call this a ball if he finds something on the floor. This is actually called a spear. Can you guys say spear? It is a spear. Nice job. Okay. We're going to talk about these few ones right now, as well as one more. Let me grab it out. This is called a cone. It looks like an ice cream cone. That's why. Here you go. Okay, here we go. Oh, last one, sorry. This is a pyramid. Maybe you can talk about to your parents, see if they've seen any pyramids. Sometimes there's some out in nature or any of these geometric shapes. I want you to go around and see if you can find them around you. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start off by talking about a cube and a rectangular prism. So a cube and a rectangular prism, these two items, they have the same number of faces, vertices, and edges. Let's count these. I am just going to take my marker and mark it. Here we go. 1. You guys see my 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the top is 5. The bottom is 6. So there's 6 different sides. Nice job. Let's check out our rectangular prism. See how many sides this one has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 different sides, just like my cube. So both of these have the same amount of sides, and they're all flat sides. There's no rounded sides on here. Okay. Whoa! I dropped my shapes. Okay. The next one we are going to talk about is a cube and a cylinder. So we get our cube out again. We know that it has 6 sides, and a cylinder. The cylinder can roll when pushed. So if I can roll it down my arm. The cube cannot. It doesn't roll. It's not rounded like the cylinder is. The cylinder has a curved surface like a circle. The cube doesn't. It has 4 sides. The cylinder has 2 flat surfaces, one right here, the other right here. So 2 flat surfaces. And the cube doesn't. It has how many flat surfaces? 6. Nice job. Okay, now let's look at the cube and the pyramid. Most of flat faces on the pyramid are triangles. Let's look at these. Let's see how many triangles we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 triangles on a pyramid. Okay, the next one we're going to talk about is a cube and a cone. So we have our cube and our cone right here. The cone can roll when pushed. Whoa, see, it rolls. Let me just show you on my arm. Roll right down my arm. And the cube cannot. It does not roll. Okay, the cone has a curved surface right here. And it's one flat surface. And the cube has 6 flat surfaces. The cone has a point, or they call it an apex. And then the opposite, the circular face. So it's opposite of this circle. Is what they call it is the point or the apex, if you want to be fancy. The cube has 8 vertices. And we know that the vertices is what it comes together. So if we count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so these are some differences between the two. So now when you are doing your work, when you get to your math journal pages, I want you, if you need to go back to remember some of these, it's a lot of information throwing at you. But you know, boys and girls, we always are reviewing, so it'll be easier. Sometimes at first, it's a lot to remember. But I want you to go around your house, find some cylinders. Find some rectangular prisms, aka maybe a cereal box. Find some find some cubes. See if you have any cones. Maybe have a cone of ice cream tonight. Maybe you even have a pyramid at home. See if you have some of these geometric shapes. Nice job, boys and girls, today, and I look forward to seeing you for our next lesson. Have a great day, and remember, if you ever have any questions, feel free to contact any of your teachers. Have a good day.